As a doctor who specializes in women's mental health during midlife, I hear the same story every day. Women come to my office feeling like their bodies have turned against them. One minute they're fine, the next they're drenched in sweat or laying awake at 3 a.m., wondering why their brain won't turn off. But what if you had a glimpse of what's happening inside your body during perimenopause? Hi, I'm Dr. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle physician. The Ultra Human Ring Air is a smart ring that tracks various body functions, including sleep stages and stress levels. But can a piece of jewelry really help with perimenopause symptoms? I've recommended it to my patients for several months and the results have been eye-opening. Here's what this ring actually does. It monitors sleep patterns, heart rate variability, HRV, and skin temperature 24/7. Think of it as a tiny scientist on your finger, quietly collecting data about your body's daily rhythms. For perimenopausal women, this can be more helpful than you might expect. Your hormones are like an orchestra where some musicians are out of sync. Estrogen drops, cortisol spikes, and your nervous system may get stuck in fight or flight mode. The ring helps capture these invisible shifts happening in your body. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The ring tracks HRV, a measure of how well your nervous system handles stress. During perimenopause, HRV often drops for various reasons, including your body being on overdrive due to fluctuating hormones. One of my patients, Julie, noticed her HRV would drop a couple of days before her period, even when her cycle was irregular. The ring helped her spot these hormonal storms before she felt them. The temperature tracking is also revealing. The ring monitors your skin temperature during sleep and compares it to your personal baseline. Some women notice their baseline temperature rises around certain times in their cycle or before sleep disturbances. However, the ring does not reliably predict hot flashes before they happen. While it can show temperature spikes that sometimes occur with hot flashes, these events are often too brief or subtle for the ring to provide a true warning ahead of time. That said, some women have used the data to spot patterns. For example, one of my patients noticed that her temperature tended to rise after consuming certain foods or experiencing stressful days. She used this information to make lifestyle changes that helped her feel better. But these changes are based on personal observation, not on the ring predicting hot flashes in advance. Where the ring truly shines is sleep tracking. Many women feel exhausted even after what seems like a full night's sleep. The ring can show you how much deep and restorative sleep you're actually getting, and many women discover their deep sleep is much less than they thought. The data often reveals that sleep quality decreases in the weeks leading to a period when your hormone levels are shifting. Once my patients saw these patterns, they could take action. On nights when the ring showed higher stress or temperature, they tried magnesium glycinate and 10 minutes of breath work. Over time, they noticed improvements in their deep sleep. If you're struggling with perimenopause symptoms and want to use data to optimize your health, I've created a free guide for women navigating this transition. Click the link in the description to download it. Now, let's be honest about the limitations. The ring won't cure perimenopause symptoms. It's not magic, but it gives you data to make informed decisions about your health. Think of it as a detective tool that helps you uncover patterns your body is trying to show you. The Ultra Human Ring Air is a one-time purchase with no monthly subscription required for basic data access. Some women find the data overwhelming at first, and it takes a few weeks to establish your personal baseline. But for women who want to take control of their perimenopause journey, this ring provides valuable insights that can guide real measurable improvements in how you feel. Ensuring you also have the right supplements during this transition is crucial. If this interests you, check out this video where I discuss the top 5 supplements every perimenopausal woman needs to know.